a question on simplifying, and we have been given algebraic fractions, and it says simplify fully. Now, if you look at the first bracket, now we can make that into a fraction. So it will be over 1. Now we have a quadratic expression at the top, and we also have quadratic expression at the bottom here, but it's difference of two squares. And we also got a quadratic terms in that bracket. Now, the first thing to do is, again, with simplifying, you need to factorize everything that you can and simply cancel out. Now, if we were to factorize the first bracket, now y squared and 3y, y can come out of the bracket. So that is a common factor. And then in the bracket, we will have y take away 3 and then over 1. So that's the first part that we can factorize. Now the second fraction, okay, we have a quadratic at the top. So that means this can go into two brackets. And the two brackets would be now 21. So if you think of two numbers that multiply to give you 21 and then add to give you 10, these are 7 and a 3. Okay, now they're both positive because we got positive signs here. So this will be y plus 3 and y minus 7. Sorry, add 7. So that would make y squared plus 10y plus 21. Now, if you look at the denominator, we got y squared minus 9. And now 9 is a square number. So look out for questions like these ones, because this will also go into two brackets. And it's a difference of two squares is called. So it would be minus 3 and y plus 3. Now that everything is factorized, now we start cancelling things down. And when you cancel things down, so for example, this y plus 3 can cancel with this y plus 3. And y minus 3 can cancel with y minus 3 here. So at the top, we are left with y and y plus 7. And at the bottom, we just got 1. So that means we simply just multiply y and y plus 7 as a numerator, and then over that is 1. So anything divided by 1 is going to be the answer itself. But we can leave the answer as y and y plus 7, or we can just multiply this out. We got y squared and then plus 7y. So any of these answers would be fine, because it doesn't say in which form they want the answer in. So y squared plus 7y is the answer to this question.